Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have bad main bearings and it's time to rebuild your engine? So the main bearing is located over here, 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 and here. And the purpose of the main bearing is to hold the crankshaft in place and it allows it to rotate freely. When your main bearings start to fail, again, this means that your engine life is coming to an end and you could either rebuild or replace your engine. So here are the signs that you should pay attention to that your main bearing is failing. When your main bearings start to fail, you're going to notice noise coming from the engine block. You're going to notice rattling noise, you're going to notice thumping noise, you're going to notice knocking noises. And these noises tend to get louder as the engine speed increases. The next time that you know that the main bearing is failing is that the oil pressure warning light turning on and you're going to notice a decrease in oil pressure. Oil pressure is built up when oil gets squeezed between the main bearing and the crankshaft journal. And when the main bearings start to wear out, there will be excessive clearance and oil will not get squeezed enough between the main bearing and the crankshaft journal, and there will not be enough pressure built up. That's how you know that the main bearing is failing. The next time that you know that your engine is going to fail very soon, caused by bad main bearing, is that your engine is barely running and you're going to notice an engine misfire. And you're also going to notice intense vibration coming from the engine. So when the main bearings start to wear out, this can cause the crankshaft to start to rock back and forth. And when it starts to rock back and forth, it's going to cause the main bearing to rapidly wear out even quicker. And eventually this can cause your engine to throw a rod. What caused main bearing to fail? And the number one reason why main bearing fail is driving on little to no engine oil. If you're driving on little to no engine oil, this can cause increased friction inside the engine, and this can cause metal to metal contact, and it can cause the main bearing to rapidly wear out and start to score. The next reason why the main bearings start to fail is because you're not changing your engine oil on time. If you don't change your engine oil on time, dirt and moisture start to build up inside the engine, and this can cause the oil passage or oil galley on the crankshaft journal to start to clog, and this can cause poor oil flow. And when you have poor oil flow, the crankshaft main bearing will not be properly lubricated. And again, this can cause it to rapidly wear out due to metal contact and again, lack of lubrication. The next time that you know that your main bearing is already bad is that you're going to notice metal shavings, metal particles, and maybe chunks of the main bearings inside the engine oil. When you're getting these shavings inside the engine oil, it's already too late to save your engine, because in order to fix the issue, you actually have to disassemble the engine. You have to resurface the crankshaft journal if it's not badly scored, and you have to put oversized main bearing so there will be proper clearance. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.